Guys, one of our most formidable weapons is a side kick to the knee. It's one of my preferred tactics. It requires precision. You have to practice it, obviously. I could miss, but if I miss in my opposite leg, this is Glenn's opposite leg, I can still drive through his other leg. He shows me aggression, would be this, trying to take out his knee. Now, if I happen to miss, I drive to the other leg. Shows me aggression, I miss, but I take out that knee. I keep driving. Yeah, aiming for that knee, but I miss. Shows me aggression, and I take out that knee. And we continue Krav Maga. Good time. I happen to miss. Boom! And I continue. You see the continuation. If it's the other side, I'm going to switch. I'm left side forward, he's left side forward. The idea is this. Shows me aggression, attacks, wham! Take out the knee. If I miss, I got to keep going. Shows me aggression, I miss, but I continue with an elbow. And I got to do this slowly because I'm going to injure him. Again. Show the aggression. I miss. Help me. Help me. And I can continue slowly. I miss. I continue. I continue. Okay, guys. So one of our best tools against any kind of aggression is a side kick. But it's got to be precise, and in this case I'm targeting the knee. There's an advantage to my standing right side forward against Glenn, like this. We're going to switch stances here, or opposite. So again, there's an advantage if I'm going to deliver a side kick to that knee if I go opposite stance, because if I miss I can drive through the other leg. Remember, it's a highly precise kick, one of your better tools. So again, here's the idea, his hands are down, he shows me aggression, wham, I take out his knee, and I'll continue. So again, shows me aggression, wham, I continue. But if I miss, I'm going to go for the back leg, and I have to do this carefully because we don't want to injure each other in practice. So again, he shows me aggression from here, I miss, I come through, and you can see what I can do. So I'm driving through the back leg. Again, if I miss, and you may miss, again, he shows me aggression, it's here, and I take out the back leg, and I can continue with your good Krav Maga from there. If I'm opposite, the back leg from here, and I miss from here, see the problem? I'm giving him my back, so I need to transition immediately into another attack. So again, if I'm opposite and I make contact from there, he's good, I took him. But if I miss from here, like that, I gotta come back at him with an elbow because he has got my back. You guys see that? Again, I miss here, boom, I gotta come back with an elbow or forearm shot from here and turn him, maybe. I do knees, I can continue, then I take the knee out. So if you miss, you gotta go through it.